In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Wise Payment Link to receive money. If you want a quick, secure way for someone to pay you without sharing bank details, a Wise Payment Link is perfect. It creates a simple web page where the payer can follow Wise's instructions to send you money safely. All you need is your Wise account open and a minute to set things up. First, click Request. You'll find this on your Wise dashboard. Think of the request area as your hub for asking others to pay you, whether it's for a reimbursement, freelance work, or a one-off split bill. When you click it, Wise prepares the tools you'll use to generate a link. Next, click Request a Payment. This tells Wise you're not sending money out, you're inviting someone else to send money to you. It sets the process in motion for creating a link that's easy to share and simple for the payer to use without back and forth on account details. Now, click Anyone. This is the key setting that makes the link flexible. Instead of tying the request to a specific contact, anyone opens it up so that whoever receives the link can use it. It's ideal when you don't want to manage contacts or when you're sharing the link in multiple places like invoices or messages. Then click Share. This brings up Wise's sharing panel, which is designed to help you distribute the link in the way that suits you best. You'll see options tailored for quick sharing, and the goal here is simply to surface the link so you can use it wherever you communicate with the payer. Finally, click Copy URL. This copies the payment link to your clipboard so you can paste it into an email, a message, a chat thread, or an invoice. The URL leads the payer to a secure Wise page where they can follow the prompts to complete the payment in a way that works for them. It's a clean, professional way to request money, and because it's handled through Wise, the process is transparent and straightforward for both sides. That's all there is to it. Click Request a Payment, choose Anyone, hit Share, and copy URL. Keep the link handy, add a clear note when you pasted it so the payer knows what it's for, and you're set. If you ever need another link, you can repeat these same clicks anytime. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get paid faster and with less hassle.